It's like the school is different than other schools. Okay, my name is Asyadeeya. I'm intake upper secondary. I'm 14 years old.
My name is Alayna. I'm from lower secondary intake and I'm 12.
It's like the school is different than other schools. The teachers, they focus more on the students instead of just doing the job for the sake of doing the job. There's like the flip classroom, so it's like you get an idea of what you're learning, and you don't actually have to go out to go to the school because it's online. You just wake up and go to the table. I like all the teachers equally.
Yeah.
I mean they're all
I like the way
they're all
they
the
teach.
same in different ways. I can't decide. I can't pick any. I can't decide.
Too good.
I like
Science
Python.
and math.
I like Python and math.